Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open ginseng royal jelly vials the only correct way. These small glass vials contain a potent tonic, and opening them improperly can be tricky or even unsafe. It is crucial to use the method intended by the manufacturer to ensure you can safely access the beneficial contents. We will go through each simple step to make sure you can enjoy your tonic without any hassle. Your ginseng royal jelly package should contain a small, often white, straw or a dedicated plastic puncture tool. This is not just a drinking straw. It is specifically engineered with a pointed end to safely break the sealed metal cap. Take a moment to locate this essential item within your box. Always ensure it is clean and ready for use before proceeding to the next step. Now hold the glass vial securely on a flat, sturdy surface to prevent any slips. Take your designated puncture tool or straw and carefully align its pointed tip with the very center of the vial's silver metal cap. With a controlled motion, apply steady, firm downward pressure. You will feel a slight resistance, then a small pop as the seal is cleanly pierced, creating an opening. With the seal successfully pierced, your ginseng royal jelly is now ready for consumption. Before drinking, gently shake the vial for a few seconds to ensure all the beneficial ingredients are well mixed. Then, simply drink the entire contents through the straw. Each vial typically contains 10 milliliters of the tonic, designed as a single serving for optimal benefits. Enjoy your revitalizing dose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.